Do you ever notice how when you start earning more money, your expenses just grow and grow? This is called lifestyle inflation, and it can quietly eat away at your savings. Today, I'm going to tell you how to avoid lifestyle inflation and keep your money safe. Imagine getting a raise but still feeling broke at the end of the month. Let's break down how you can enjoy more money without spending it all. Lifestyle inflation happens because we naturally want to upgrade things when we earn more. You might buy a nicer car or eat out at expensive restaurants more often. These small upgrades add up quickly and leave you with little savings. But the good news is, you can control this if you stay aware. The first step is to track your spending carefully and see where your money really goes. Do you have a budget? If not, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people avoid budgets because they think it's too hard or restrictive, but a simple budget is just a plan for your money, helping you decide what's important. When you budget, you can choose to save first and spend later on things that truly matter. It's easy to fall into the trap of buying things to show others you're doing well, but ask yourself, does this new gadget or fancy item really make you happy, or is it just a quick thrill that fades fast? True happiness comes from security and peace of mind, not just stuff. So think twice before upgrading your lifestyle just because you can. One smart way to avoid lifestyle inflation is to increase your savings rate as your income grows. Instead of spending your whole raise, try saving 50% of the extra money. This way, your savings grow faster and protect you against unexpected expenses. Have you ever tried saving more when you got a raise? It can feel tough at first, but it's worth it in the long run. Another helpful tip is to set clear financial goals for yourself. When you have a goal, like buying a house or retiring early, it's easier to say no to unnecessary spending. Goals give your money a purpose and keep you motivated. What's one big goal you want to achieve in the next 5 years? Writing it down can make it feel more real and push you to save more. Avoid comparing yourself to others, especially on social media. It's easy to feel pressured to keep up with friends or influencers who seem to have a perfect life. But remember, most people only show their best moments online. Comparing can lead to overspending just to match their lifestyle. Instead, focus on your own progress and what makes you truly happy. One trick many people use is automating their savings. You can set your bank account to move money into savings as soon as you get paid. This way, you don't even see the extra money in your spending account. Have you ever tried automatic savings? It removes temptation and helps build a habit of saving regularly. Another important tip is to avoid lifestyle creep with your housing expenses. When your income goes up, it's tempting to move to a bigger house or get a fancier apartment, but housing costs are often the biggest monthly expense. Instead, consider staying in your current place longer or finding a more affordable option. This frees up more money for savings and other goals. Think about your transportation costs as well. Many people upgrade to expensive cars as their income rises, but cars lose value quickly and can become a big money drain. Instead, consider buying a reliable used car or using public transport when possible. Saving on transportation lets you keep more money for things that really matter. Food and dining out is another area where lifestyle inflation can sneak in. It's tempting to eat at fancy restaurants or order takeout more often with more money, but cooking at home is usually healthier and much cheaper. Try cooking new recipes and making meal plans to stay on track. Have you noticed your food expenses go up with your income? Sometimes it's helpful to pause before making a big purchase. Instead of buying on impulse, wait 24 to 48 hours. This cooling off period helps you think if you really need the item or just want it because it's new or exciting. How many times have you bought something and later regretted it? This simple trick can save you a lot of money over time. Debt can also make lifestyle inflation worse. When people get a higher income, they sometimes take on more debt to buy things they can't afford. Credit cards, personal loans, and buy now, pay later options make it easy to spend beyond your means. But debt adds interest and stress, making it harder to save. So focus on paying off debt quickly before upgrading your lifestyle. Insurance is often overlooked but very important. As you grow financially, make sure you have health, car, and renters or home insurance. Insurance protects you from big unexpected costs that can ruin your savings. Have you reviewed your insurance policies recently? It's worth checking yearly to make sure you have the right coverage. Another smart habit is to regularly review your subscriptions and memberships. Streaming services, gym memberships, and apps can quietly drain your bank account each month. Are you using everything you pay for? If not, cancel those you don't need. Small monthly savings add up big over time. Keep learning about money and personal finance. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. There are plenty of free resources online like podcasts, blogs, and videos. Which money topic would you like to learn about next? Comment below and let me know. Staying informed helps you avoid common money mistakes. Sometimes it's good to reward yourself, but in a controlled way. Instead of spending a lot on one big treat, set small rewards for reaching saving goals. For example, a nice dinner or a small gadget after hitting a target. This keeps motivation high without breaking your budget. How do you reward yourself when you save money? It's important to surround yourself with people who support your financial goals. Friends and family who respect your money decisions can make a big difference. Sometimes peer pressure can lead to overspending or unhealthy habits. Have you ever felt pressured to spend just to fit in? Finding a support group or community focused on saving can help you stay on track. Remember, happiness doesn't come from things, but from experiences and relationships. Spending on travel, hobbies, or learning new skills can be more rewarding than buying stuff. These investments grow your life in ways money alone can't buy. Have you thought about what experiences bring you real joy? Focusing on these can help you resist lifestyle inflation. It's okay to say no sometimes. Saying no to expensive outings or impulse buys is part of smart money management. You don't have to explain your financial choices to everyone. True friends will understand and support your goals. Saying no frees you to say yes to what really matters. Have you ever heard of the 30-day rule? It's simple but powerful. Whenever you want to buy something expensive, wait 30 days before buying it. If after 30 days you still want it and it fits your budget, then consider buying. This rule helps avoid many impulse purchases that lead to lifestyle inflation. Emergency funds are your safety net against life's surprises. Try to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund helps you avoid debt or panic spending when unexpected costs happen. Do you have an emergency fund right now? If not, start small and build it over time. Investing early and regularly is one of the best ways to grow your money without lifestyle inflation. Instead of spending all your extra income, put some into stocks, mutual funds, or retirement accounts. The power of compounding can make your money work for you. Are you already investing? If not, even small amounts can make a difference. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about making sure your money goes where you want. A simple budget helps you control spending and avoid lifestyle inflation. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month, then decide what's important and cut back on the rest. Do you already have a budget or want to start one? Setting financial goals gives you a clear direction for your money. Whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or traveling the world, goals keep you focused. Break big goals into smaller steps to make them manageable. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. What's your biggest money goal right now? Avoid lifestyle inflation by remembering your why. Why do you want to save money? Is it for your family, freedom, or future security? Keeping this reason in mind makes it easier to say no to unnecessary spending. Whenever you feel tempted, remind yourself of your purpose. This mindset can keep your financial journey on track. Don't forget to review your progress regularly. Check your budget, savings, and goals monthly or quarterly. This helps catch any lifestyle creep early and make quick adjustments. It's okay to adjust your plan as life changes. What review habit do you follow to stay on top of your money? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more money tips. Next time, we will talk about how to start investing with little money. Don't miss it. Remember, avoiding lifestyle inflation is a journey, not a race. Take it one step at a time, and your future self will thank you. Sometimes, tracking your net worth can be very motivating. Your net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. Watching it grow over time shows your true financial progress beyond just income or spending. It can help you stay focused on building wealth, not just buying things. Do you track your net worth regularly? Finally, remember that your financial habits shape your future lifestyle. Small, consistent choices lead to big results over time. Avoid rushing to upgrade your lifestyle just because your paycheck grows. Instead, build good habits that make money work for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video with more smart money advice.